y plus 1 by 2 minus common z minus 5 upon 1. So x minus x1 upon a, y minus y1 upon 2 upon 2, that is 1, z minus z1 upon minus 1. So this is the standard form of the equation. Its direction ratios are proportional to 3, 1, minus 1. Now we want to find the equation of line. General equation of line is this, that passes through this point. जो लाइन इसमें से पास कर रही हो और पैरेलल इसके हो, अगर इस लाइन के डायरेक्शन रेशियोज दिस है तो इस लाइन के भी डायरेक्शन रेशियोज क्या होंगे? 3, 1, minus 1, because these two lines are parallel. So what is the equation? X minus 1 upon 3, y minus minus plus 1 upon 1, z minus 0 upon minus 1. So this is the required equation of line that passes through this point and whose direction ratios are proportional to 3, 1, minus 1. Now the next question. Find the Cartesian equation of line passing through point minus 1, 3, minus 2 and perpendicular to lines x upon 1, y upon 2, z upon 3 and the line x plus 2 upon minus 3, y minus 1 by 2, z plus 1 by 5. हमें उस इक्वेशन की, उस लाइन की इक्वेशन निकालनी है जो इस पॉइंट में से पास होता हो और जो परपेंडिकुलर हो इस लाइन की. लेट डायरेक्शन रेशियोज ऑफ रिक्वायर्ड लाइन आर ए बी सी. इसके डायरेक्शन रेशियो ये है. इन लाइंस के डायरेक्शन रेशियो क्या है? 1, 2, 3, minus 3, 2, 5. These are direction ratios. We know two lines are perpendicular if a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equals to 0. So 1 into a, 2 into b, 3 into c, minus 3 into a, 2 into b, 5 into c. Because it is given that जो required line है that is perpendicular to these lines, therefore this is equal to 0. Now solve the value for a, b and c. A upon 10 minus 6, B upon minus 9 minus 5, C upon 2 minus minus plus 3 into 2, 6. A upon 4, B upon minus 14 and C upon 8. Clear? Let is equals to some constant K, C. सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया? हमें उस लाइन की इक्वेशन निकालनी है जो इसमें से पास करती हो और इन टू लाइंस के परपेंडिकुलर हो. अगर हमने डायरेक्शन रेशियो उस लाइन के ABC मान लिए और ये टू इन लाइंस के परपेंडिकुलर है, देन a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equals to 0. ठीक है, दोनों लाइंस के मल्टीप्लाई किए. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ a, b and c. Now the Cartesian equation, so we get a as 2, b as minus 7, c as 4. Clear? Now Cartesian equation of line which passes through 1, minus 1, 3, minus 2, x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1 upon a, b and c. K will get cancelled from here. X plus 1 upon 2, y minus 3 upon minus 7, z plus 2 upon 4. So this is the required Cartesian equation of the line. I am again repeating. क्या किया हमने इस क्वेश्चन में, हमें दिया था हमें उस इक्वेशन की लाइन फाइंड करनी है जो इस पॉइंट में से पास करे और वो लाइन इन दोनों लाइंस के परपेंडिकुलर हो। हमने मान लिया जो इक्वेशन हमने फाइंड करनी है उसके डायरेक्शन रेशियोस ए बी सी है। जो इक्वेशन हमने फाइंड करनी है दैट इज परपेंडिकुलर टू दीज बोथ लाइंस, देयरफॉर a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 that is equal to 0. From here we have find the value of abc. Now what is the Cartesian equation of the line? X minus x1 upon a, y minus y1 upon b, z minus z1 upon c. Now k is same in all these terms, therefore it will get cancelled and we get this equation in the Cartesian form. Now next one, a line passes through 2, minus 1, 3 and is perpendicular to line r vector I plus j minus k plus lambda 2i minus 2j plus k and r vector 2i minus j minus 3k plus mu I plus 2j plus 2k. Obtain its equation. Now जो हमने लाइन फाइंड करनी है that is perpendicular to these lines and these lines are parallel to, if this is b1 vector and this is b2 vector. Clear? जो हमने लाइन फाइंड करनी है that is perpendicular to these two lines and these two lines are parallel to b1 vector and b2 vector. तो जो हम इक्वेशन फाइंड करेंगे the required line that will be parallel to b1 vector cross b2 vector. Clear? अगर कोई दो लाइंस parallel है, this required equation is perpendicular to these two lines and these two lines are parallel to b1 and b2 vector. तो जो हमने इक्वेशन फाइंड करनी है that will be parallel to b1 cross b2. Let it be b vector. General equation is r vector is a plus lambda b vector when equation passes through point A and is parallel to b vector. Now we have to first find b vector as b1 cross b2. I j k, b1 is 2 minus 2 1 1 2 2. So I cap is minus 4 minus 2 minus j cap is 1 minus 4 and k is 2 into 2 minus minus plus 1 minus 6i plus 3j plus 6k minus 6i minus 3j plus 6k. Now put the value. So r vector required equation is a vector is this 2i minus j plus 3k plus lambda into minus 6i minus 3j plus 6k. Is it clear? सबसे पहले हमने क्या गिवन था कि जो हमने इक्वेशन निकालनी है that passes through this point and is perpendicular to these two lines. These two lines are in the vector form and therefore first equation is parallel to b1 vector, second equation is parallel to b2 vector. अब हमने जो इक्वेशन निकालनी है वो इन दोनों लाइंस के परपेंडिकुलर है. इट मींस वो पैरेलल होगी इन दोनों के क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट के. Therefore, we have find first b1 cross b2, then use this formula and put the values. Now the next one. Find the value of lambda so that the lines 1 minus x upon 3, 7 pi minus 14 upon 2 lambda, z minus 3 upon 2 and 7 minus 7x upon 3 lambda, y minus 5 upon 1, 6 minus z upon 5 are at right angles. If these two equations are at right angles, then we will have to find the value of lambda. First, write these equations in the standard form. Take negative common, 7 common upon 2 lambda, z minus 3 by 2, and this equation take 7 common, negative 7 common, x minus 1, y minus 5, negative common. So we can write this equation as x minus 1 upon minus 3, y minus 2 upon 2 lambda upon 7, z minus 3 by 2, x minus 1 upon minus 3 lambda upon 7, y minus 5 upon 1, z minus 6 upon minus 5. Now these two lines are at right angle, therefore these are direction ratios A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2. Since these two lines are perpendicular, two lines are at right angle means perpendicular, therefore A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. Minus 3 into minus 3 lambda upon 7, 2 lambda upon 7 into 1, 2 into minus 5. Minus minus plus 9 lambda by 7 plus 2 lambda by 7 minus 10. So what we get? 9 plus 2, 11 lambda by 7 is equals to 10. So lambda is 70 upon 11. Note up to here. So this is about, हमने क्या किया आज के लेक्चर में? सबसे पहले स्ट्रेट लाइंस की इक्वेशन इन कार्टेशियन फॉर्म एंड वेक्टर फॉर्म. आफ्टर दैट एंगल बिटवीन द लाइंस when the lines are given in the vector form and when the lines are given in the Cartesian form. So find the angle, find the equation. To find equation in Cartesian or vector form and then reduce vice versa is the important topic, so you will have to practice on that.